Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how to change your fuel filter out on your 2000 to 2007 maybe C-class Mercedes W203 C240 C230. It's a pretty simple job. You should be able to have it done in 30 minutes, if not faster. Alright, first we're going to drop this plastic over here on the driver's side. You got 10mm plastic nuts here, and the fuel filter is right in the back up here. But really all you need to do is just lower this plastic cover, so I'm probably going to drop 6 of these 10mm plastic nuts, so the cover will drop down. It'll still be connected up front, but it'll be easier to reinstall and quicker. And that will drop down enough to give you access to your fuel filter. Alright, after you drop this plastic piece right here, I took 6 nuts out of mine. You should really only take 4. I did that just so you can see better, but we're going to take out this T25 bolt, and then you're going to want to take off these hose clamps. There should be 4 on yours. I think mine's missing one, you can see, but there should be 4. Make sure you put all those back when you put the new filter back on. Alright, just a reminder, you're going to lose fuel, so you might want to put something there to catch it. Not much is going to come out, and if you just don't put anything in there, it should evaporate soon after. But these little clamps right here are 6mm. You just use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm taking them off first, so that way when I pull these rubber lines off, the other piece will be holding the fuel filter in place, so it doesn't shake around while I'm trying to get these rubber hoses off. Alright, make sure you put it back correctly and hook up the lines properly. So you want the one that says pump at the bottom and tank above, and on the other side can and mott. Can goes above, and you'll want the pump facing towards the passenger side. So basically how I'm holding it now, you'll put it back in place just like that, and then you'll want to tighten your adjustable hose clamps. Make sure you get all 4 back on there, and then tighten your T25 bolt. Alright, after you get your fuel pump in, you're going to want to prime your fuel system and make sure it's not leaking. So what you do is you get your key and you turn it to your second position, and that should turn your fuel pump on. And then after letting it sit for a bit, you'll want to crank the car. And then after that, come back to your fuel filter and make sure you got everything tight, and make sure it is not leaking. If you've done that, then make sure you got all your stuff tightened back up well, and put this plastic cover back into place. Alright guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure you get everything tightened up. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you like the video, it's cool, and just follow me to see more content like this, and I will be posting more on this car.